Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Chainlink from your Trust wallet and send it over to Gemini. Whether you're looking to trade, secure your assets, or just manage your crypto better, this step-by-step tutorial will have you sorted in no time. Remember, crypto transactions involve real money, so always double-check everything to stay safe. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need the Trust Wallet app installed on your phone with Chainlink tokens in it, a verified Gemini account, and the exact wallet address from Gemini where you want to receive the funds. Oh, and keep an eye on any network fees. Chainlink usually runs on the Ethereum network, so gas fees could apply. Let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the Chainlink token. You can do this by swiping through your wallet or searching for Chainlink in the search bar. Once you're there, tap on the Send or Withdraw button. It's usually pretty intuitive. Step 2. Enter the recipient's address. Head over to your Gemini account on their website or app, go to your wallet section, and copy the Chainlink deposit address. Paste that into the To field in Trust Wallet. Double check that it's correct because one wrong character could send your tokens into the void. Step 3. Specify the amount. Decide how much Chainlink you want to withdraw, making sure to leave enough for any transaction fees. Review the details like the network, it should be Ethereum for Chainlink, and hit Next or Confirm. Step 4. Confirm the transaction. You'll see a summary screen. Take a moment to verify everything. If you're using a hardware wallet or have added security, approve it there. Once you confirm, the transaction will broadcast to the blockchain, which might take a few minutes to an hour depending on network congestion. After that, head back to Gemini and check your account. You should see the Chainlink tokens arrive soon. If there's any delay, don't panic. Just monitor the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. A quick tip. Always use the correct network. Chainlink is ERC20, so stick to Ethereum. And never share your private keys. That's it for this guide. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.